Welcome guys, my name is Sebastian. Today I wanted to talk to you about checking codes on a Volvo truck and how to get to the menu and what to look for potentially when you're looking at a Volvo truck. I'll do a couple of videos with different manufacturers, but this one I have available right now, and I just wanted to show you. We just had a customer that I think he would benefit from understanding it a little better, so I wanted to kind of show you the basics, just so you can you can Google a lot of the codes that you see on the dash, and that will tell you more or less what could be the problem. Either you're buying from a dealer or from a private party. They usually forget to delete the codes, or they don't know how to. So it's definitely a good thing to check it when you're looking at a truck. So let me show you really quick. I'm going to turn around and show you a couple things here. So that's a Volvo truck. Their menu is very similar to, they're all across the board. This is an older truck, this is 07, but they're all across pretty much the same menu. So you can scroll down. It's going to take you to the second menu with this little font, and where you want to go is Diagnostics. If you go to Diagnostics, you go Fault Diagnostics, and then check Engine ECU. So we have fuel supply pressure here. It's on the right top corner. You have 1/2 and 2/2. So that tells you how many codes. If you keep scrolling down here on the side, it will get you to the next code that it has, and then you have enter and escape. So you go back and enter. It's just like a computer keyboard. You can go check the brake ECU. You can check the vehicle ECU. That will give you codes if there are any, and you just want to make sure it's clear. Well, if it's cleared out, you're not going to see anything, but if you might be lucky and see some codes that somebody didn't know how to delete. So definitely a good one to check. We are going to check out the fuel supply pressure here soon. This truck had some work done too, so we're going to erase all the codes and see if they come up again. But other than that, that's one of the most important items, and I would say make sure you Google all the codes, or if you know of any codes on any of the trucks that you're trying to buy, it's online, so just do a little bit of research. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll talk to you soon.